to Your Island Craft by Life Inc. Let's get started. Creative mode. Nice features. Cactus, grass, or you could say it's a cornfield. Go to the house. Pretty cool animations. Redstone, so you don't have to be asking Minecraft. I don't know if you can see it. Let me lower the display a little. Better. Redstone torches. Yeah, okay. Did fly. No limitations, as you can see. Drop. You have all your blocks. You can tell. Your bow, your sword. Gold block, diamond block, this Louisville, however you say that, block, and see. Pretty much all. Yeah. Okay. Your TNT. Pretty awesome, I would have to say. Explosives. Nice. Unique glowstone. Kind of resembles gold a little. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Yeah, you can. Then you have your wools. Let's do basic. Pink, orange, blue, red, and black. Black wool, red wool, blue wool, orange wool, and magnet. And then let's do paintings. Not bad. You really can't tell what it is unless you're looking for pretty random. That was my favorite. Yeah, of course. But anyways, that's about all. If you want to know more, contact Life Inc. and let them know what you want to see in the next updates. Thanks, and see you next time. Peace.